Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 isn't triggering properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from wear and tear on the trigger mechanism, or sometimes from a buildup of dust and debris. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications that might require more extensive repairs. To get started on the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some tweezers, and a replacement trigger compatible with the Dyson SV12. First, ensure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the dust container from the main unit. This will give you access to the screws that hold the casing in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. Be sure to keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using your flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or latches. Now, locate the trigger mechanism. It should be situated near the handle of the vacuum. If you notice any visible damage or wear, this is likely the culprit for your issue. Carefully disconnect any cables connected to the trigger. Use your tweezers if needed to avoid excessive force. After that, you can gently pull the trigger out of its housing. When replacing it, ensure the new trigger fits snugly in place. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are securely attached. As you reassemble the casing, be cautious not to pinch any wires or components. Replace all screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly to avoid stripping. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back together, it's time to test your Dyson SV12. Plug it back in and check if the trigger works smoothly. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your vacuum. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, regularly clean the trigger area and ensure no debris is lodged inside. Also, consider replacing the trigger every couple of years as part of routine maintenance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.